Buntag. Thank you for calling Salazar Trio. This is Carla speaking. Help you.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
I would like to reserve a room reservation po sana for 2 person po.
From what company again, ma'am?
Sorry, what sa to, ma'am?
From what company again, ma'am?
Ano lang, ma'am, student
Okay. For today yan, ma'am, no?
pwede, tomorrow, ma'am?
Sige, ma'am. I'll check po na the availability for tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes po.
So, tomorrow overnight stay, ma'am, no?
Yes,
As for
ma'am.
checking, we still have naman available deluxe club room and premier room. Then, for our rate for tomorrow, double check ko lang po, ma'am, na if it's still applicable na rate. Tomorrow, ma'am, for double occupancy for a deluxe room, pwede siya 7,800 for double occupancy sa deluxe room. Then 3 for double occupancy for the club room, and premier room at 11,800.
Pila tong sa una, ma'am? 7,800,
1,800, ma'am.
7,000?
7,800. Yes, ma'am, for double occupancy, ma'am.
Kana siyang available tomorrow, ma'am? What?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Deluxe club and premier room, ma'am.
What time ang pwede may check-in na, ma'am?
Check-in time is 2 p.m., ma'am. Standard check-in time. Check-out is 12 noon the following day.
Okay, ma'am. May I also ask then kanang unsa included na sa room rate na naman na pay?
For the deluxe room, ma'am, only the complimentary breakfast, free use of hotel amenities, the pool, and the fitness gym. But for the club and premier room, additional inclusion is access to our club lounge. You can avail afternoon tea, evening cocktail, all-day coffee, tea, and non-alcoholic refreshment, ma'am, aside sa breakfast, ma'am.
Ay, okay, ma'am. Kana na lang katong first sa 7-8.
I'll get na lang your complete details, ma'am. Your name po, ma'am. Your name
Nicole Bayawa, ma'am.
with a double L, ma'am, or single.
Single L lang, ma'am.
Then the last name is
Bayawa.
Bayawaw.
Bayawa lang, ma'am.
Bayaw. Ang check-out date is 20, ma'am, na. Then for that time, ma'am, is it king size bed or twin bed, ma'am?
Twin bed?
King bed.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I ask for email address?
Nicole Bayawa 78 at email.com. Sa Gmail.
Bayawa
78.
at gmail.com.
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from the twin bed, ma'am, may other requests ka po, ma'am?
Wala na, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Ma'am, I'll send you the confirmation letter na lang through your email po, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
For this one, ma'am, you'll be staying one night. But preference is separates you Wednesday night. Then your room accommodation is a personal account. You need to settle the payment once at 8:30 and then. How would you like to settle the payment? Ma'am? Cash or card?
Sign link.
Cash or card? Have your card. I see. Do you need invoice for this one? Yes. For your Wi-Fi access, room number is the username, the password is your last name. And breakfast tomorrow will be filled from 6 to 10. And if you have some time, we also have food and gym ball from 6 to 9. Yes. If my concern or request, just last one. 0 lang. Thank you so much for
Thank you.